GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Do you see that change in the industry?
Different kind of actors get the opportunity. I think the stereotype of what a hero or heroine, all of those stereotypes got broken because of the formats evolving. The more conventional you became, the more difficult it was to cast you in these interesting parts.
आपका अगर बायोपिक बना तो क्या टाइटल हो सकता है, मूवी टाइटल?
I had a very inappropriate title.
Inappropriate, it's a good one.
Jimmy Ki Jawani. Sheila Ki Jawani is old dated, is outdated.
जो you think that could re-release today and it will still cater to a huge audience?
Paiya, one was Happy Days, which was Telugu.
Happy days.
I think Bahubali, of course, could re-release, but it's too early to re-release it. I think it should maybe re-release after a few years.
Yeah.
Whether it's getting married, having kids, a particular age and all of that, that has gone. Does that also give you that confidence you can try out new and explore new options?
You have to be an artist and you have to be somebody who loves what they do it to the fullest and enjoy it.
Yeah. In the last few years, I think whenever we've met, we've spoken about the projects that you've done, and you've got some interesting parts to play, especially in the last 2-3 years.
Yeah.
Do you see that change in the industry?
I just feel like the fact that as technology has, improved, we see the platforms showcasing content in different formats. So definitely it's giving people the opportunity to create not from the place of fear of how will the numbers be. So there's genuinely a space for people to create little more fearlessly.
Yeah.
So that also naturally leads to a place where different kind of actors get the opportunity, and it's not like only a certain I think the stereotype of what a hero or heroine, all of those stereotypes got broken because of the formats evolving, and that's actually a very healthy place to be at. I think conventional the ability to be conventional in anything, what was considered a good thing, all of a sudden became not such a good thing, because the more conventional you became, the more difficult it was to cast you in these interesting parts. So I think the actors that were open to explore naturally benefited from it, and the ones who were who stuck to their sort of ways, they might have not been able to explore these platforms as much. So I think anybody who's been open-minded has actually benefited from this.
When we look at the promo, there's a part where you tell him that अगर तेरी जिंदगी का बायोपिक बनेगा तो it will be titled सिकंदर का मुकद्दर. So which Bollywood film would you want as your biopic if it's ever made, or suits your life, and why?
Film that will be a biopic.
हाँ.
कोई एक टाइटल बोल रहे हैं कि जो आपके साथ.
But it's not a Bollywood film, is it okay?
Like it's
चलेगा.
Miss Congeniality.
Why?
I don't know. I like people being happy and together, and
Over the years that I've seen, we were discussing it outside, that the easygoing people, like there's not so much thras given to people around, which is a really, really lovely thing. And
ये कौन झूठ झूठ बोल रहा है भाई तुम्हारे?
पीछे से मैंने had given him
or
तभी दो बार 10 पॉइंट एक्स्ट्रा दिलवा दिए तूने.
That's true.
he got a little bit of chocolate.
I agree. But I think Dream Girl. Don't you think Dream Girl?
Dream Girl. Why not?
What about you, sir? Do you have a name?
For myself or her?
For yourself. You can give it for her also if you have any.
नहीं, आप उनकी बात कर रहे थे, अचानक से आपने बोला आप बताइए.
नहीं, आपका अगर बायोपिक बना तो क्या टाइटल हो सकता है, मूवी टाइटल?
अरे मैं टाइटल कैसे दूंगा यार,
तो बाकी लोग दे,
जो बना रहा होगा वो देगा ना.
I had a very inappropriate title.
Inappropriate, it's a good one.
Jimmy Ki Jawani.
Jimmy Ki Jawani.
Sorry. Sheila Ki Jawani is old dated, is outdated.
Jimmy Ki Jawani.
Sorry.
क्या बात है.
What about you?
मेरा नाम जोकर would be more like it.
For you?
Yeah, like right from having a crush on a school teacher to different stages of love, and also a performer who wants to go out and do his stuff. So yeah, in a way it can.
ऐसी कोई एक मूवी आप दोनों की जो you think that could re-release today and it will still cater to a huge audience, because there are so many movies that are re-releasing and getting so much love. Any movie that you feel that today it can still re-release?
I've actually had a lot this year that came out, but they were all either Tamil or Telugu films. Something happened in
There were
Tamil.
re-releases?
Yeah, I had,
Oh,
I
wow.
had 2 or 3.
Oh, yes, I remember. Yeah.
One was Payya, one was Happy Days, which was Telugu.
Happy Days.
I think Bahubali, of course, could re-release, but it's too early to re-release it. I think it should maybe re-release after a few years,
Yeah.
so that it's
Yeah.
because it still feels sort of fresh, strangely, because it's been 8-9 years now. So, but yeah,
What about you, sir?
Azam is a film of mine which I would want that it should re-release. Yeah.
Finally, Jate, you know, I read this interview of yours where you said something so nice, because today we speak all for women. There are so many women who are coming together, because when we talk about paradigm shifts, there has been an interesting paradigm shift for women in general, the outlook that people and the industry has and audiences have towards women. There was a point of time, there was a longevity given to a woman's career, whether it's having whether it's getting married, having kids, a particular age, and all of that. That has gone. Does that also give you that confidence to try out newer things, like you mentioned, like you can try out newer and explore new options?
yeah, I also think that, I don't know, for me, it's always been about not looking at myself as a woman and more as a person.
Yeah.
And I think I've never sort of used that, I don't know, that's not my way of functioning in the industry. I think you have to be an artist and you have to be somebody who loves what they do it to the fullest, and enjoy it.
Yeah.
So I just do that, and I do feel definitely we are in the most empowering times that we could have possibly been in from every standpoint, whether be it technology, be it opportunities, be it awareness, be it reach, the ability to reach out to people, communication. Everything is literally at the most convenient place that it could be. Now it's just up to us if we want to, either we can celebrate it, enjoy it, and use it, or we can, I don't know.
Yeah,
True
but
about
I
it.
think today women are actually going out there and exploring different, and there are so many superstars who we have who are mothers, who are like,
Yeah,
who are
yeah.
doing everything, which is a great. And sir, you to have been our childhood crush. I think like we've grown up watching you, loving you. Everybody sitting here would say the same. You've always said in interviews, do you feel like a lot of your fans feel like today when they see you in these interesting parts, they feel so happy? But do you feel that when you were starting off, because the industry was a different kind of industry, like the paradigm shifts had not happened so much, do you feel like you lost out on better opportunities maybe that time of your life, especially in Bollywood, especially?
No, I don't think so. I think I was looking for different kinds of roles. I was wanting to break out of that stereotypical image, and I was looking for more interesting roles, different characters to play probably, and that's what I ended up doing. Out of the best that was offered to me, I picked and chose the best out of what was offered to me, but tried to do different stuff. I think when I look back, I say, chalo, there was some variation.
It's been an interesting year for you also, because Laila Majnu has re-released and it has done amazing numbers. I remember having this conversation with you after Laila Majnu had released the first time, and there was so much love. Whoever went in had so much love to give, but the numbers were not so great at that point. Does it give you a sense of validation and love today in terms of how people have accepted it even today? And do you feel it was a little ahead of its time?
Yes, the love feels nice, but I think I've understood this one thing. All these conversations is more for people on the outside, and they tell you, "अरे तो feel हुआ था?" फिर you start saying, "हाँ मुझे शायद यार, तुझे बहुत तकलीफ हुई होगी ना? हाँ शायद हुई होगी यार, तुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा, हाँ शायद मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है." It's almost that, because like you were just saying कि हमने एक film की 1.5 साल पहले. Now that film happened 6 years back. I'd shot 7 years back. I'd shot. You hardly remember those things. There's a certain emotion attached to it because it was the first film. It came, it disappeared. I felt the pain and I've moved over.
Yeah.
But for the 6 years, the amount of conversations that I've had about it, that it just, and so now it feels nice. You do feel that, oh yes, everything that you thought was right, and it's not, because you went through a lot of self doubts. People put it into your head, and then you come back and say, bro, just put in your head down and work, do what you were doing, and you had a certain idea that you came with, keep following it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you.
And I'm gonna watch this movie. And
Yes.
hopefully we'll sit back and do another really, really fun conversation. Thank you so much for
Thank
you.
you.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.